Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm cruising on the 118. 118. Started out at the 118 or from the 210 through the San Fernando Valley. So now what happens is after the 118 goes through Simi Valley, oh, there's a railroad track. Oh, we gotta stop for a train. Hope it's not a freight train. Freight trains take a little longer. Well, it's close. There it is. So you can see it coming. Oh, it's an Amtrak. Okay, good. So it shouldn't take too long. Oh, yeah, it's a short one, too. No, it's a commuter, not an Amtrak. I really like trains, but I do not like waiting for trains at the rail crossing. So thank God that was a commuter train, so I don't have to wait too long. So as I was saying, once the 18 gets through the San Fernando Valley, it goes through the Simi Valley. And then after the Simi Valley, it makes a turn headed towards Thousand Oaks, but then you get off the freeway basically and continue on the 118, which now goes out towards the coast. And so this is what the road looks like now. It's a lot of farm area. And a lot of cars coming back this way from the ocean. It's a lot cooler out here too. Cloud cover, which was not, it's walking around the camera, which was not in the valley. It was about 10 degrees warmer in the valley too. So this is nice. So eventually this will get to the ocean, the beach, Ventura. This is where this will end up. She likes looking out the window, and then she walks back over here. She likes sticking her head out this window. She wanted to do it on the freeway, but not on the freeway. It's too much wind. Well, we're getting deeper now into some farm country, and just all over the place. Just all over the place. Now, eventually we'll hit civilization again, but it's just all farm country. And these things can go for miles and miles. I mean, if I could stop the camera and take a look down the aisleways, they go forever and ever. Oh, I heard a dog bark. Oh, there's some green pasture there. That's pretty. That's pretty nice. Got a little barn sitting there. Looks like it's been sitting there for years and years. Okay, everybody hold on. And then to the right here is, take us to Ventura and the beach. So you can see it's still in farmland. You can see that for a while. All right, so we're definitely into some civilization now. There was a road back there, intersection back there. Could have went directly to the 101 in Oxnard, but I decided to stay on the 118 and keep on going. And we are in Saticoy. There's more than one Saticoy in California. This is one of them. There's one up also further north of us. Taking a look, there's a Dixie Sales Company Incorporated. That thing's been there forever. And now we're coming up on Telephone Road, or go straight. I'm gonna go straight. And now we are officially in Ventura city limit. What nice thing is, being on the 118, this now takes us directly to the 126. That's right, the 126. I can either go east on the 126, go back towards Santa Clarita in LA, or I can get on the west, and this will take me to Ventura. And 126 is another major, a little bigger than a 118, and but it's a direct route out to Ventura. I'm gonna get on the freeway here on the 126. I'm going to pull Muffin back inside because that wind on the freeway is going to be a little too much for her. She may not know it or think it, but it is, or will be. So this is a pretty good loop. So if you stay on the 118, it'll take you directly to the 126, which is a freeway, a highway, which goes directly to Ventura and connects to the 101 going north and head up to Santa Barbara. Okay, here we go. We're going to merge onto the 101, which will complete the 126. It's pretty nice right there. This is where the road starts turning a lot like what you see Santa Barbara as being. It's really very similar. All this is with the vegetation, the trees and such, very similar and very like it is all the way up to Santa Barbara and beyond. These kinds of palm trees, kinds of grass, trees in the middle of the road here on the freeway. There's our glimpse of the ocean right there with a pier. That's Ventura, the Ventura Pier. Got a restaurant there, and quite beautiful. And we get off the freeway here, take a left, and see what we can see. How about that? And there's the ocean, there's a hotel. Muffin's getting excited, she wants to go out. So I know for one thing, I'm coming up to the fairgrounds up here, which has a racetrack, auto racing. And of course they had to do other things as well. Here's the fair. I'm going to make a left here. This will take us to some parking area where I can view the goings-ons. Also an Amtrak station up this way. Yeah. Fairgrounds. Amtrak station, really? That's interesting, because I think this road dead ends down here, but who knows? So there's a couple places here we can stop. I'm glad I brought a jacket. It's actually cool out here. It's actually cool. And there's the fairgrounds. Here's some area up here, some parking area. We'll probably park on the curb. Oh, there's the fairgrounds over here as well. You can see it over there. And then over here, of course, is the beach. Lots of places to park. That's all good. And then over here, oh, there's people in the stands at the racetrack. I wonder what's going on. Or they're probably having racing tonight. Ah, very good, yes. That time of day where we'll probably get in there and start enjoying the racing. The race is going to start here pretty soon. So I'm going to park over here and then let the dog walk around a little bit. I'm going to walk around a little bit. See some ocean water. She's ready. See that? She is ready. Okay, we're out here and we have ocean. Ocean and water. Water, oh yeah, ocean. Ocean. We have ocean. Boy, oh boy, look at that water. There's another dog out there with that guy sitting in that chair. So it looks like he's got the right thing to do there. Look at this wood. This wood is just all piled up here on the beach. Not sure why there's so much wood here where it came from, but the water and the waves probably brought it in. I'm gonna go down this way. It looks like there's a little pathway here. So this is a bike path. Oh, there's bikes. Yep, it's a bike path, all right. And I definitely hear the train. I don't see the train station. And the road says that Amtrak is this way, but the road's a dead end. Oh, unless it goes, no, yeah. What else? Hard to find it. We'll continue walking this way. Muffin's leading the way. She's pulling on me. So the pathway goes up this way. Oh, so this is how that guy got around the fence. Right over there. He walked this way, right through here. So one could just walk down to the water. And there's some surfers out there. Oh, way out there, there's a boat. Way out there. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Let's see. Let's see that boat. And it's out there. I think I'm on it. Okay, I have my readers on. It is definitely a cruise ship. I hope I'm right. I'll look at this when I'm editing. Hopefully it's a cruise ship. Isn't that pretty? Zoom back out. You know, there's something to say. Guy walking by, fishing. Oh, he's got it all figured out. Another guy walking by, fishing poles. It's actually legal to fish without a license offshore on the ocean. Did you know that? It is. Muffin, she's just leading the way here, how to smell everything. Of course, I don't have my readers on anymore. But this is a cycle. You can rent those, I guess. Look at this wood right here. It's just on this side too. So yeah, the race over there is going to start. That's pretty nice. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna ride. It's a dirt track over there. They race dirt cars. All right, I'm gonna walk this way again. Seems like there's a lot more people here now than when I first got here. So here's kind of a wide view, or panoramic view of where I'm at. I don't really care for panoramic views most of the time, but sometimes they're useful, like about now. Carpinteria. So the sign said, State Beach is this way. And there's another sign said, turn right. So I'm going to turn right. Well, that makes sense, right? Because I'm going to go there, so I might as well do what the sign said. Driving through this town right here. This main street of sorts here. And looks like a pretty nice community. People just kind of hanging out and eating at the restaurants. And looks like I saw the ocean when I looked down that road, but the sign didn't say turn there. So I might have to take matters into my own hands. And so I just did a big U-turn. The road actually forced a U-turn. And the funny thing is, I never saw a sign that said go this way to the beaches after that other sign. And before the U-turn, I saw a sign that said shopping ahead, but there was no way to go further. Very interesting. Someone must be playing a joke. All right, going back south now, and first road I see that looks ocean going, that's where I'm going. And I think I see one right now. I'm gonna make a right turn here. I saw a sign that said Amtrak this way, and something that may look like, well, I see beach parking, so that's good. I believe I'm getting close to the ocean. I found it. Woohoo! Carpinteria Beach. I think that's what it was. Found a parking spot, so we're gonna go look around. The weather is really nice here. It's 75, but I don't feel like this cold ocean breeze coming in. I have to put a sweater on or something. But that might change. But here I am. It's here. I really came prepared today. My camcorder battery I was using to shoot some of the beach here, battery died. So now I'm back on my GoPro. So I'll try to get some good shots with the GoPro. Well, I have no idea how the audio is going to sound. I also didn't have batteries for my microphone. Can you believe it? I guess it was one of those mornings, but at least I was able to get out, get on out and about. I probably look like I got the sun behind me, so I'm backlit. So let's try turning around. Okay, here we go. How's that? If I go like this, maybe it looks a little better. Anyway, so it's been a fun trip. Don't know if this microphone's picking me up. It's been fun. Been fun getting out here and seeing what it is out here and the sights and such. It's a beautiful, beautiful area. It really is. The weather's just really nice. There's a little bit of a breeze. It's a cool breeze. It's not cold, and just for October, not too bad. So I'm gonna head back down the road. Maybe stop, grab something to eat on the way. But thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. I had a good time, and we'll see you next time. Until then, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. See ya.